from your Coinbase homepage or dashboard, you can go to the left sidebar menu and go to Learn and Earn. Here it will have a series of these courses, I guess you could say, just really mini quizzes to learn about specific coins. And each one will actually give you free money in that particular coin. So as you can see here, there is a Fetch AI course, which I've earned $3 in this coin. And as I scroll down, you'll see I've also been earning all of the available profits from the recent courses. And the way it works for this, it's a bit random. As far as I know, you can't really be alerted to when there's a new course. But what I always do is just go onto this page every day and see if there's a new course. So what you might want to do is bookmark this page, which is coinbase.com/rewards. And just visit this from time to time, because the way it works is when a new course is launched, there'll only be a certain amount of coins available for everyone to use. So once that's used up, you can still take the course, but you won't actually get any of the money for it. So you have to be quite quick. In my experience, the actual course profits run out after about 1 or 2 days. So try and be quite quick in earning the free money on these coins. So as mentioned, I have done most of these courses already, but I'll show you how it looks like when you actually take the course. So what happens is it gives you a sort of interactive tutorial. So it will tell you critical information about how the coin works. So you can go through the various bits of information. Then it will give you a multiple choice question to answer. The great thing about this is if you happen to get a question wrong, it doesn't actually kick you out of the course and it doesn't deprive you of your rewards. It just simply allows you to answer the question again. So in theory, you can just click the actual questions and you will get it right eventually and then just move on if you really want to. But I suppose the idea behind this is you should actually learn about the crypto coins, which I do because it is actually quite interesting to learn about the technology in each of the coins. But yes, in theory, you can just click any answer and eventually you'll get it right. And then you can move on to the next question. And then usually there's about 3 or 4 questions. You earn $1 for each correct answer, and then you get your rewards. The rewards are deposited into your crypto wallet for that particular cryptocurrency pretty much immediately. And then you can do with that coin whatever you'd like. I hope you found this quick tutorial useful. If you have any suggestions for future tutorials or any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comment section of this video, and I'll see you all in the next video.